What is an electric motor? An electric motor is an electromechanical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Basically, the motor produces the rotational force. The working principle of the all-electric motor depends on the interaction between the magnetic and electric field. Mainly, an electric motor has two types, and they are AC motor and the DC motor. Let's see these types of an electric motor in detail. AC motor. The AC motor requires an alternating current to rotate. This motor converts the alternating current into mechanical power using electromagnetic induction. The AC motor has two most important parts, and they are stator and rotor. Where the stator is the stationary part and the rotor is the rotating part of the motor. Mostly, AC motors are single-phase or three-phase. The three-phase AC motor produces bulk power and mostly used in the industry. The single-phase AC motors used in small power applications. The single-phase AC motor is small in size and used in a variety of services. Most of the domestic appliances such as refrigerators, fans, washing machines and mixers use the single-phase AC motor. DC motor. A motor that converts the DC power into mechanical power is referred to as a DC motor. It is operated by the DC current. The basic working principle of a DC motor is that when a current-carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, a force exerted on it develops the torque. The DC motor consists of two main parts, armature or stator. The rotating part is the armature and their stationary part is the stator. DC motor consists of two main parts, armature or stator. The rotating part is the armature and their stationary part is the stator. Types of AC motor. AC motors are mainly classified into three types, and they are synchronous motor, asynchronous or induction motor. Linear motor. 1. Synchronous motor. The synchronous motor changes the alternating current into mechanical power at the desired frequency. In this motor, the speed of the motor is synchronized with the AC frequency. These motors mainly depend on the three-phase supply. In this, the motor speed is the constant speed at which the motor generates an electromotive force. There is no air gap available in the speed of the stator current and rotor, so it provides more rotation accuracy. Because of high rotation accuracy, these motors are applicable in automation, robotics, etc. 2. Induction motor. An induction motor or an asynchronous motor runs with asynchronous speed. It uses electromagnetic induction for transforming electric energy into mechanical power. According to rotor construction, there are two types of induction motor. They are squirrel cage induction motor and phase wound induction motor. On the basis of supply phases, the induction motor is classified into single-phase and three-phase induction motor. Types of DC motor. As per the chart, based on its construction and electrical connection, the DC motor has different types. 1. Separately excited DC motor. In this motor, the DC windings are excited by the separate DC source. The separate DC source energizes the armature windings of the motor. Due to this, it produces the flux. Stepper motor. Stepper motors are also DC motors that divide a full rotation into a number of equal steps. They have multiple coils and all are organized in groups called phases. This motor will rotate one step at a time by energizing each phase in sequence, since each pulse helps the motor to rotate at a precise angle like 1.8 degree. The motor position can be controlled without any feedback system. This motor provides very precise positioning and speed control. For this reason, stepper motors are used in many precision motion control applications. Stepper motors come in different sizes and electrical characteristics. Servo motor. A servo motor is a simple electric motor that rotates the machine parts with high efficiency and great precision. The servo motors are available in both AC and DC. A servo motor is a linear or rotary actuator that allows for precise control of linear or angular position, velocity and acceleration. The servo motor uses a regular motor and coupled with a sensor for positional feedback. It also requires a relatively sophisticated controller to operate. Servo motors are used in many applications like toy car, RC helicopters and planes, robotics, etc.